What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. If you have one of these electric pesticide bottles, you can get these at most, Walmarts and Home Depot and Lowe's and Ace Hardware and whatnot. It's basically a powered wand that makes it easier for spraying your stuff, as you see. But if you've had, maybe you've had your bottle for a while and it just doesn't have enough force, it just sounds kind of weak, there are batteries inside the handle, believe it or not. There are 4 AA batteries inside the bottom right here. So just take your little Phillips head, like a small Phillips head screwdriver. Then there's a little screw right there. Loosen that. When you remove the screw, just tilt that back, and look, there are 4 AA batteries in there. Just note how they're inserted, note the orientation of the batteries. Put it back on, tighten the screw back down, and you should have knife full power. The only other issue might be if the hose is clogged or inside has got a lot of debris inside the bottle, so you might have to clean it all out. But then again, you could just go to the hardware store and get you another bottle. But if you're trying to save money and save the world and the environment and whatnot, not tossing away a plastic bottle like this, because this could be used for any kind of fluid, actually. Any thin, watery fluid, you could use it to spray it. Works pretty well. Anyway, check out my channel. I got all kinds of cool stuff that you might like, and if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. Feel free to send us a donation. We always appreciate it. And we have over 2,000 videos on our channel, all kinds of stuff around the house, around the car, motorcycle, dirt bike, ATV, scooter, golf carts, stuff like that. All kinds of videos that might help you out. And there you go. You'll have a great day.